All right, well here it is, last weekend in March. Turkey season's gonna be on us here for too long. We're in Tennessee. I think they changed seasons around a little bit this year. Usually it's the first weekend in April, turkey season opens up, but I think there's some kind of there's a little bit of a dwindle in the population, so they've pushed the opening out 2 weeks and let the turkeys get their breeding and stuff done, and then, you know, let us come in there and get 2. We're allowed 2 this year. That's down from 3. They're doing the right things, just trying to keep the population going. But I got this new site last year. Did get a chance to site it in. That's what I'm trying to get done today. That's better, that's a dead turkey. Finally.
We got one more trick up our sleeve. You got one more shot in you.
What's that?
I got you a water bottle too.
2, 3. So it's the second week of turkey season here in Tennessee, and I'm running a little bit behind because I've had to work quite a bit here lately. So now I'm headed over to my favorite spot and see if I can put one to bed this evening and get after one in the morning. All right, so I just talked to the fella that leases this to keep the cows and stuff on, and not so good news. I mean, turkeys are here, but it looks like two of the gobblers done got busted last weekend. So hopefully they hadn't pushed anything out of here. And hopefully tomorrow morning we don't run into cows. I got cows back there behind me. One of the not so good things about hunting around a bunch of cows is they'll come in and they'll bust your set real quick. We'll get up here and see if we can't make something gobble. Over here, 3 good places they like to roost here. Got this holler and ridge right there. I got this holler and ridge here. It's on the adjoining property, but they like to feed out here in this open field and strut. And then I've got this holler over here where I've usually had my most successful hunt. Alright, I reckon we're just gonna head on back to the Jeep. See what the morning's got a hold for us. I don't know if I'm gonna be here in the morning or if I'm gonna go to a different spot. And this spot's always been good to me. I don't know. We'll see what the weather's supposed to be like in the morning. It's supposed to be in the high 30s. Be able to see the thunder coming out of their mouth in the morning.
Our new Edge cellular trail camera is more reliable in remote places with AutoConnect. AutoConnect technology detects and connects to the strongest signal from multiple nationwide networks with built-in memory and no SD cards. Edge offers industry-leading photo quality and better battery life. Combine Moultrie Mobile's advanced app and the Edge cellular trail camera and transform the way you hunt.
All right, so making this trip in. I don't know. I'm gonna sit up down here along the creek, if I'm just gonna sit up here by this big old oak tree. Kind of get over here about where I want to sit and take it from there. And that way, anything comes behind me, it'll come across this, come through this little chute here. We'll see if they got any turkey tracks in here. We got the deer tracks for sure. So, I've been wondering why I hadn't been getting any pictures on my camera. If you look right here, that's my mineral lick, and right behind it was a tree. So I'm gonna go see if I still have a camera. Bet you it's submerged in water. There it is. It's all in its muddy glory. No wonder I hadn't been getting any pictures. Full of water. I don't know if it's going to be salvageable this time. Dang. Dang. I really like this camera too. Oh well, that's the way it is. Tree stands right here. To find me another little tree close to put it on or something, or make me a post. Crap. Alright, morning. It's May 13th, 2023. Got a couple weeks of season left. I'll see if we can get it done. It's really the first morning second morning I've had a chance to get out. So, first time I went out was over to one of my favorite places. I just didn't hear nothing. So I'm gonna try this place out this morning.
featuring set technology. Elite bows are known for their extreme ease of use, smooth draw with solid back wall, comfortable grip and accuracy, while the legendary lifetime warranty with Hunt Guarantee extends ultimate confidence when it's needed most. Experience the world's most shootable bow by taking the Shootability Challenge and demo the 2021 Encore and Remedy at an elite retailer today.
That was fun. Exciting morning. May try and get back here this evening. See if I can't catch that bird going to roost. Maybe sit down in this corner or something if it ain't raining. But we'll see. So we're running late this morning. It's already daylight. He's gobbling. Same one it was gobbling last week, I believe. So we're gonna try to hurry up in here, get set up real quick right here on this cut through, and see if I can't bust him this morning. See if we can't make it happen real quick. See if I can't make something happen real quick. Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Woke up late this morning and was blessed with a turkey. Good bird. I was up here, I think it was last weekend, and this bird was gobbling its head off all morning. I never could get him to commit. So, what an awesome morning. What an awesome morning. Heck to the yeah. Don't you even think about it, buddy. Well, you know what? Better not count my chickens before they're hatched, or should I say turkeys. Yes. Well, definitely an awesome morning this morning. Good Lord bless me. Weather this year has been not the best. Opening weekend was great, but moving warehouse is a lot of work. I hadn't had a weekend off in a while. Spent the day with the wife yesterday doing some things. Got up this morning, so let's go see if we can get a bird. And the outcome was definitely a blessing. Nice, beautiful full fan. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Can't ask for much better than this. So I'm gonna head to the house. Enjoy this rest of this beautiful day, and I think this is going to make my turkey season a wrap.